What are the other necessities to make a city a desirable place to live? I'd say public safety ranks towards the top of that list. Nationwide, violent crime continues to increase at an alarming rate. We see that all the time. In contrast, our administration has led Jersey City in the opposite direction, with nearly all areas of crime decreasing citywide. We actually ended 2022 with a nearly 50% decrease in homicides and a 30% decrease in shootings since my first full year in office. And we're on track for even better results in 2023. Of the nearly 800 police officers, 800 that I've hired since I became mayor, 3 out of every 4 are minorities. And this is a direct result of our ongoing diversity recruitment efforts, which also have grown the police department to the largest size it has been in decades. I am a firm believer that the police department should reflect the city it serves, and in Jersey City, we are doing just that. Since day one of my tenure, my commitment has never wavered to enhance the police department by both quantity and, more importantly, in quality. We are working to combat crime from every angle, including how we train our police officers, not just at the beginning of their careers, but throughout their decades of service to keep up with the constantly evolving laws and cultural considerations. That brings me to our investment in training. Construction is underway at the city's first ever de-escalation training center located on our DPW campus. Heeding the public's call for better de-escalation practices, this facility will include our first 360-degree simulator, which is the most effective training for de-escalation. And the training center will open at the end of this year. Public safety, though, also entails fire safety. We've come a long way since inheriting a fire department where multiple firehouses were inoperable every day due to understaffing. For the first time in 85 years, this past summer, we created 2 brand new companies within our fire department, the high-rise unit and the rapid intervention crew, expanding from 26 to 28 companies operating every single day. Just a few months ago, I had the honor of promoting the fire department's first female deputy chief, also making her New Jersey's highest-ranking professional female firefighter in the entire state. I think she's actually here today. You want to stand up for us briefly? You were also awarded the top 1% of fire protection nationwide for the first time. Clearly, we are moving in a positive direction. Uniform public safety has been an undeniable investment we've made. The benefits show, but public safety is more than just police and fire. Traffic fatalities are the leading cause of preventable deaths across the nation, and we're taking the important steps to implement real life-saving improvements here in Jersey City. It takes leadership, it takes commitment, it takes innovation, and as a result of our willingness to effectively think outside the box together, we are saving lives. Last year, we had 0 traffic deaths on city roadways as a direct result of the key safety improvements that we've made together. Prior to these changes, the city would average 10 traffic-related deaths per year. So let me put that in a different perspective. It is a meaningful difference to get that down to 0 last year. That's families that are still together, where perhaps under different circumstances, there would be different outcomes. And how do we do this? By making sure each neighborhood is intimately involved every step of the way. If something doesn't work just right, we use residents' feedback to make changes until we've effectively achieved our collective goal. Since becoming the first municipality in New Jersey to adopt Vision Zero in 2017, we've installed over 600 speed humps citywide at the direct request of residents. Over 400 intersections have been upgraded to improve safety. We built 20 miles of protected bike lanes in just 3 years. It takes a willingness to try new things that are not being done anywhere else. Lastly, it takes leadership, not just from local government, but from all of you, everyone in the community.